We are anchored at the stunningly beautiful Makalawena anchorage. Turquoise blue water, even with it overcast. I think we're in like 16 feet of water. It's a little rolly, so we're gonna put out the roll stabilizer. Gorgeous white sand beach and rocks to snorkel in. Really looking forward to exploring this place and seeing what it has to offer. Super stoked to be here.
Hi there, fella. Ooh, you're a big boy. Oh my goodness, what a beauty.
So beautiful.
Oh wow. Oh, this is gonna be a treat tomorrow.
We had a successful beach landing here at Makalawena. How you say? Makalawena?
Makalawena.
We had a successful beach landing here at Makalawena. Softest sand I've ever felt in my life. Beautiful out, right?
So beautiful.
So pretty. What did we see?
Oh, we saw a spotted eagle ray.
He was so cool, chilling on the surface.
Yeah, just flapping on the surface.
Trotea is looking absolutely stunning.
Can you see these different colors?
The light is so crazy.
Me.
Let's go have a look around. So those are the ones I'll have to watch when we go back in.
These big ones.
Yeah. You have to count them out. I've never felt sand this soft.
I feel like I was just gonna say the same thing. I was just gonna ask how your feet feel.
The sand is insane. I've never ever felt sand so soft. It's very unusual.
So awesome.
Sun's gonna peek out.
Adventure. Whoa.
Whoa. Crazy lava fields.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, looks like a bunch of...
That is only the lagoon.
Oh, what is happening?
Oh, wow.
Let's see if we can get down there.
Looks like you can.
Oh, it's about to get real.
Look at that.
Holy.
Lava field that comes right up to the greenery.
Oh my gosh, that lagoon. Oh my goodness.
Unreal. This is obviously like the adventure week of secret lagoons.
Oh yeah, no toilet.
And it's also worth mentioning, like, this beach is only accessible by hiking in. You can't drive up to this beach. You got to boat in or hike in. Check out this lagoon.
Holy.
Oh shit.
Holy. Oh my lord. What is happening right now?
I don't know. Look at all the fishes.
Oh my goodness gracious.
That is crazy. So cool. Dude.
Maybe we should have our coffee here tomorrow.
Right?
Let's have a little sassarooski. Looks like dirt. What the hell?
Mauna Loa, hiding in the clouds. Wow, just a massive lava field. That is so interesting.
Cool.
I wonder how recent this flow is. Might not be that old. Look at that stand of trees. Yeah, you see, I bet this is a fairly new flow, you know?
Yeah, interesting. This
Wow.
is beautiful. How dramatic are all the different, like, lava, foliage, soft as sand in your life?
Right? Low shrub trees,
This is really good.
ultra white sand,
And then more lava.
and then just like endless amounts of lava field. Hoo-hoo-hoo! They're right here.
So cool. Oh, they're gonna come towards the bow, I bet. This is their little circle.
Yeah, this is where they're gonna sleep, huh? Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is here.
Wow.
Yee! Very, very lumpy night on the hook last night. We have the roll stabilizer out, which made it tolerable, but sleep was sparse with the motion of the boat. Gorgeous here. This watercolor is crazy, and the sun's out, which is nice. Storm clouds are chilling over there on Mauna Loa, and we are getting ready to go in for a snorkel. Really enjoyed the spinner dolphins stopping by and saying hello this morning. It's always a treat. And we've been told there are lots of amazing things to see underwater here, so let's go give it a look. We had a nice snorkel today, checking out the rocks, underwater critters here at Makalawena. Now we just came ashore. It's been pretty gloomy all day, breezy. Just came ashore to do some hiking, check out the other end of the beach, and see what there is to see. So crazy, looks like it just dried yesterday. I wonder what kind of trees these are that are fell.
They're these kind.
They're pines. Weird. Ones that don't do very well in sand holding, apparently. What a landscape, huh? So crazy. I know, right? It's like somebody crushed a bunch of Oreos.
Hey, you got one. Look at the farm to get in here.
Yep, dedicated.
Good. I'm making like these people still got money.
Right? Because they wanted it.
They wanted it. They're nice ones.
So this lava field, massive, massive as far as you can see, was from 1859. And there's been a number of eruptions on Mauna Loa Is that the name of that volcano?
Yeah, the middle one.
Since then, the last one was in 1984. That went towards Hilo. But this one is immense. It's just like stretches as far as the eye can see. It's so crazy. And now we're gonna hike through a little bit of lava field. We're just trying to see how people arrive to the beach when you hike in. And this seems like the primary trail, right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna check out the lava portion now. So crazy. If you don't have access to a boat and the ability to anchor offshore, you can always reach Makalawena Beach by trail. There are two different trails. One is like 4 miles round trip and the other is about 2 miles round trip, depending on if you have a 2-wheel drive or a 4-wheel drive vehicle. You can easily find this information online. Having pasta for dinner. I don't think you can see how absurd the boat motion is, but we have the rocker stopper roll stabilizer out. Well, you can see the light moving. And even with the rocker stopper out, it is totally bonkers boat motion. Yeah. So last night here at Makalawena Beach, pretty spot. I wonder what it'd be like different times of year, but it has been very, like, we didn't get much sleep last night. Tonight there'll be very little sleep had. We're leaving before first light to head to Kailua Kona. Drop the hook there, provision, and then Kimberly's got to get back to work.
That's right.
Been fun though, right?
So much fun. Let me hang out here.
Just enjoying our pasta, finish out the day, and go to bed early. In this complete fun house of a boat. Wobble cart. This place is beautiful, but it's a little gloomy.
Yeah, we had a gloomy patch.
Yeah.
That path was cool.
Yeah, it was neat. Softest sand ever in history, anywhere in the world. If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.